Plateaued? Haven't progressed in a while? Stuck at the same old tricks and looking and feeling the same old way in the air? Hey there, Fly Tribe. My name is Abby Moldenhauer for those that don't know me. I'm a retired and former professional aerialist, but now I help people just like you, new and seasoned aerialists, how to become better in the sky with a safe and practical training method. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. It really helps us to continue to put out free information just like this for you guys. Also ring the notification bell so that you're the first to know when I drop a new video just for aerialists like you. Alright guys, don't forget to stay until the end of the video so that you get all of the information. Are you a new aerialist struggling to get off the ground? Literally. Like, it happens, and it happens to the best of us. You train and you train and you drill and you drill, and it just kind of seems like you get nowhere, right? Haven't progressed in a while, stuck in the same tricks, in the same drops, looking and feeling the same way. Maybe you're super new and can't invert. Maybe you're a seasoned aerialist and just cannot get that next progression. You think to yourself, I train almost every day. I train the same thing and I'm getting nowhere. I follow what the video said and do and still nowhere. Friend, are you taking a rest and recovery day? Aerialists are super ambitious people, literally by nature. And it's easy to get lost in the, oh, I haven't rested in 2 weeks. And leave a comment below if that's you. Are you cross-training? Like, you gotta do more than just the same thing over and over. I know it's fun to do your aerial apparatus, but what about your foundation? Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're guilty of only practicing your aerial apparatus, like your sequences, your act, or, you know, the fun things. And it's super easy to get caught up watching the free content on YouTube and, you know, on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever it is. Everybody has their own vice, right? But at some point, you may need to get a structured program that you can take from the beginning to the end. This way, you will build your foundation and progress up the ladder. I think the real translation of what it takes to be an aerialist gets lost in literally all the amazing tricks and the smiles and the rhinestones. I remember when I was a little girl going to the circus and thinking, well, I actually thought it was impossible. I really did. I was not one of those that saw it and thought I could do it. Not at first, not when I was a young girl. As I got older, I did think that way. But the reality of becoming an aerialist means lots of intentional training, and training that is not for the faint of hearts. That's why not everyone does aerial, because it's hard and it takes a lot of intentional effort. Be okay with investing in yourself and watch how much further your progress goes. Watch you literally jump off that plateau. So if this resonated with you, like, subscribe, ring that bell, ring it so that you're the first to know when I drop the newest video. And till next time, Fly Tribe, I hope you create the life you have always wanted. We'll see you soon.